Today we're going to explain the correct way to install the cap system on a HappyJapan HCD3 model. I'm going to show you step by step. The first thing is to go into the panel and select the cap system under the hoops. Once you've selected it, go back, and we're going to center the design in the hoop. The pantograph will move. Once it moves, it will now be in the correct position, ready to receive the cap system. The cap system has two screws that can be removed on the metal part underneath down here. These screws can be taken off and put back on. You need to put them in, but only until they begin to come out at the top. Leave them there so they can slide into the correct position inside. The cap system rotates. It can also rotate to the sides, but I'm going to place it in the position that goes right above the metal plate. If this piece ever comes out, like it just happened here, you can simply rotate it and place it back into the correct position. It will fall back into its tracks. Once we place it back in position, the silhouette lines up very closely with the machine arm. We hold it carefully, and in that same position, with the brackets facing upward and toward me, we're going to slide it into the machine arm. Once we slide it in, we'll notice that these screws in the back function as guides. They're going to enter the groove that's marked with the little cap symbol. Here, the cap and arrows show you where the guides must go into these slots. On the bottom, in this model, the metal bracket where we place the screw, the L-shaped metal piece, will enter through the first slot and over the top like this. The screw you left slightly loosened will enter the next slot, and on the other side it will be exactly the same. Once it's inside those slots, we push everything all the way in and check that the guide screws on top are also seated in the correct position. Once everything is in place, we begin tightening the screws, starting with the lower ones, and then we install the upper screws that go into the hole next to the guide screw. There is only one direction to install them. That is the only correct position. Okay, we tighten them by hand, and now everything is positioned correctly along the cap symbol and the arrow. The bottom ones sit above this plate that slides all the way back, and the screw presses and locks it so it doesn't come out. Once you've done all of this, the cap system is positioned and ready to receive the cap frame so you can start hooping your caps.